السلام عليكم. اليوم الجزء الأخير من طرق فصل المزيج في المصابيح النفطية، وأول خطوة هي النوك أوت درام، وهو وعاء لفصل المزيج الضررين الغاز والسائل، وهذا طبعا يستخدم لفصل الغاز الطبيعي اللي جاي كوقود للأفران. وطبعا الغاز الطبيعي يجي من C1 إلى C4، يعني ميثان، إيثان، بروبان، بيوتان، أيضا أحيانا يكون BC5 بنتان. وهذا طبعا تحت الضغط، لأنه راح يجي بضغط عالي، فالبروبان والبيوتان والما فوق راح يتحول إلى سائل، والميثان والإيثان غاز. لكنه السائل مع الغاز راح يسبب لنا عدة مشاكل بالفرن، لأنه راح يسبب باك فاير أو احتراق خلفي نسميه داخل الفرن، وهذا خطر جدا، فما نسمح أن تروح قطرات من السائل مع الغاز. فهذا الوعاء أو هذا البازل اللي يسمى نوك أوت درام راح يفصل لنا، لأن هذا هنا منا يدخل الغاز، وهذا موزع أو ديفيوزر نسميه، تطلع من عند الغاز كموزع هنا تصعد للأعلى وتصطد السائل أو المواد الهيدروكربونية السائلة تنزل للأسفل تتجمع هنا. وطبعا أكو كلاس جيج هنا، وأكو ليفل انديكيتر، يعني مستوى ضغط مبين المستوى، وهذا نسميه الديمستر. القطرات ايضا تلتصق هنا، وبعدين من تكبر تنزل عن طريق الجرافيتي، عن طريق الوزن مالها للاسفل، ويطلع الغاز خالي من السوائل يروح للفرن مباشرة. اما هذا السائل فهذا يتصرف عن طريق هذا المسيطر المستوى الى منظومة الشعلة. طبعا ما يصير نوديه للجو او نوديه للمياه المصروفة، لأنه خطر جدا، هذا هيدروكربون. So this is today is the last part 5 from mixture separation technique and refinery application. So the first method today is knock out drum. Knock out drum used to separate two-phase mixture, liquid gas mixture, especially used this in refinery for natural gas, because natural gas starts from C1 to C4 or C5, methane, ethane, propan, butane, and there is pentane also. So methane and ethane always gas, but propane and C3 plus is become liquid under pressure, so it is not allowed to send it to refinery, to furnace or to boiler, because it make backfire. So have to be removed. How it is removed? We use this vessel, or it is called knockout drum. So this is the inlet of the gas. So the gas goes up and the liquid goes down. So also there is carrying some carry over of liquid. It is catched by this demister. This is called demister mesh wire, and by weight then goes down, collected with this liquid. This liquid then this is released to flare system under this control, level control, and the gas also there is pressure control and sent to furnace or boiler here. So this is called knockout drum. And also knockout drum used with the flare system to catch the liquid. Also it is not sent to tip of the flare, because the flare is only, this is flare is not pressurized, so this part of this liquid is vaporized, but that is which is heavy, it is not vaporized, also sent to the slope tank again. So this is the demister. Demister also device used to catch the droplet liquid from any gas or two-phase mixture and return it by weight to liquid phase. So this is the demister which is used here in knockout drum or any separator, two-phase separator or three-phase separator in the line of vapor to catch the droplet. This is called demister. It is mesh wire or any other. So the other method is deaeration. Deaeration is the process which is removing the dissolved gases in water, boiler feed water, because boiler feed water is a treated water, but still there is, after all treatment method step, there is still dissolved gases, which is oxygen and carbon dioxide. Oxygen and carbon dioxide is very dangerous when we send it to boiler, because at high temperature oxygen is react with iron, with carbon steel or stainless steel and make ferric or ferrous oxide, and this is corrosion. And also CO2, carbon dioxide, react with hydrogen with water and make carbonic acid, and also this is strong acid attack the metal and make corrosion to the boiler. This is the deaerator. It is vessel, and this is the inlet of water, boiler water feed here from here, and there is trace. The water is come and then come down according to its gravity through this perforated plate, and there is two lines of steam. This steam is stripping steam. To strip this, you remember the stripping process for removing, which is this, I think it's 6 or 7, number 7 method of technique separation technique. So make stripping to remove all this water airs to outside. And this is the other line of steam to heat the water here to decrease the solubility of water, because solubility of gases in water decreases with increasing temperature. Opposite of solid. Solid, the solubility is increased with increasing water, but here the solubility is decreased. So this is the water sent to boiler as feed water, and here the vent, this is vented to atmosphere, and there is valve here. The valve is always have to be open all time. Otherwise, there is reaction, and all the carbon dioxide convert to carbonic acid in this area or in this space. So this is the deaeration technique. The other technique for separation is coalescence. Coalescence, it is also a process which is two or more droplet bubble or particle merge during contact to form single daughter droplet. يعني عندنا قطرتين ماي، بس هي مو ماي، هي عبارة عن emulsion. It is as emulsion form. So when it is touch with each other or contact each other, become one daughter droplet. تكون قطرة كبيرة. And this bubble particle then goes down and the oil goes up. So coalescer is the device in which this process is done. And this is طبعا for emulsion. And there is two type of coalescer. There is mechanical coalescer and there is electrostatic coalescer. The mechanical coalescer operate method physical relation involvement in droplet influenced by mechanical or physical means. More common type of coalescer, mechanical coalescer, are applied in oil and gas industry worldwide for function as separator tools for liquid. Electrostatic coalescer, how it is work? It is work because the water, it is polar particle or polar compound. So when it is when we applied electrical field inside the vessel, what happened? There is attraction and so reaction and reflection of the droplet to the electric field, so it make random motion. And during this random motion, the droplet of water is collapse with each other and then become a big droplet, so it goes down, and the oil after this droplet oil is goes up. So this is the principle working of coalescer. This is electrical coalescer and this is mechanical coalescer. So the last method is the treating of wastewater in refinery. Wastewater in refinery contain water, contaminated water, contaminated by oil and solid particles or sludge. So in refineries or in petrochemical plant or natural gas processing plant, any plant, there is wastewater system to separate or to separate the water or treat the water before disposal to last area. So this is called API because it is designed according to American Petroleum Institute standard. So it is this now. So this is the it show the picture or the diagram of API separator. So this is the inlet of water, and this is top view. But inside the view you see is more details, because the water, contaminated water, come from here. So the oil goes up, and there is bubble here to separate the oil from water from oil, and then the sludge, because of its gravity, is accumulated here, and then the water is come here, and there is adjustable also bubble to make the water goes down. The water, this water outlet, treated water, is goes up, and the oil is skimmed and sent to slope tank or anywhere for other processing. There is also like this, there is CBI and TBI, tilted plate interceptor, and also correlated plate interceptor. This is correlated plate. The water from it come contaminated water, when it come here, the oil droplet, because of gravity also, it is first absorbed by this plate, and then after become big droplet, it goes up, because it is less dense than water, and make this layer, and this layer later is skimming and sent to slope tanks, wet slope tank, because there is two slope tank, one dry slope tanks, and there is wet slope tanks. So this is the end of our lecture today, and we will see you in other topic, because the separation method now finished, and we come to another topic inshallah next